Do you think Filipinos are racist against people with dark skin? Why do you think colorism is still strong in Filipino culture? Almost every store in the Philippines sells skin whitening products. Where do you think this obsession with having lighter skin comes from? Do you think the preference for white skin is about beauty, status, or colonial mindset? Are you attracted to light skinned or dark-skinned Filipinas? I'm curious, would you ever date a black Filipino or black foreigners? What's your name and age?
I'm Raven. I'm 18 years old.
How are you tonight, Raven?
I'm very exhausted from school. I just finished school.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway, Raven, here's the question. And I want you to be very honest, okay? Do you think Filipinos are racist against people with dark skin?
Based from what I have seen from a lot of advertisements here in the Philippines, yes, we are quite racist, and I'm gonna be honest with that. And I have seen some of my classmates still being racist and like calling other people with dark skin, the N word, and yeah.
Why do you think colorism is still strong in Filipino culture?
I think the reason for that is because there are still people who cannot accept that um, color is nothing, is something that we should normalize. And I think people who are considered white in this country is more superior than those who are not.
Now, almost every store in the Philippines sells skin whitening products. Where do you think this obsession with having lighter skin comes from?
Based from what I have learned in school in India, it is actually considered there that uh in their country it is considered that having white skin is being more superior. They have gods in Buddhism wherein if you are white then you are more superior. I think that is where it came from, and it controlled our minds as Filipinos to think the same way as them since they are foreign.
Okay. Do you think the preference for white skin is about beauty, status, or colonial mindset?
No, I do not. I think having a brown skin is actually very beautiful, and I admire those people who have brown skin since this is our natural color as Filipinos.
So you don't believe that like some of the Filipinos like they want to have a white skin, they just want to be beautiful, they want to feel pretty, or they want to feel like or they higher than those who are, darker skin. You don't believe that?
No, no, not at all.
Okay, that's kind of against from what you said from number one when I asked you if Filipinos are racist.
Yeah, but I'm not one of them.
Oh, you're not one of them. Okay. What would you like to say to foreigners who think all Filipinos are racist toward people with dark skin?
That is actually not true since there are Filipinos who are racist, but let us not think that everyone is like that. So there are still people here in the Philippines who are still, not like that. So yes.
What are you studying, Beth?
I am a STEM student, so I'm planning to take psychology in college.
What's your name and age?
Hi, my name is John Rose po, and I'm 18 years old.
How are you tonight?
Feeling good.
I'm good. That's good. I'm gonna say I'm good. Okay. So the question is, do you think Filipinos are racist against people with dark skin?
As a Filipino po, I do believe we are racist po because we have a standard color for a person po. And for me, I prepare any skin color po because I love white. I love white and I love my skin tone.
Okay. Why do you think colorism is still strong in Filipino culture?
Because po, we were born with different colors po, and we have different opinions about that po, and some prefer white skin, and we have because they have standard and type for skin po, and we some of us also born with dark skin or white. whether your what is your color is because of the standard we build as a Filipino po. That's why Filipinos still um are uncomfortable with talking about skin colors.
Almost every store in the Philippines sells skin whitening products. Where do you think this obsession with having lighter skin comes from?
Um for me, for my opinion po, the Filipino prepare to have white skin po to break the stereotypes about beauty standard po so that they can pass the beauty standard that we build for ourselves po.
So basically, it's just from the standard. It comes from the standard. Okay. Do you think the preference for white skin is about beauty, status, or colonial mindset?
Um Colonial and beauty standard po because we want to build our confidence. That's why we consider the beauty standard and the about colonial naman po. We have this feeling na I want to be white. That's all po.
What would you like to say to foreigners who think all Filipinos are racist toward people with dark skin?
I want to say not all Filipino po are racist because we as for me I don't consider I didn't I didn't I didn't like interacting with people who is color racist po because I love all people po because I idolize their what is their skin color is I love white or dark color, and I want to say we just need to love ourselves po and we just need to accept what our color is.
That's beautiful. Accept our color. Would you date a black man? Black foreigner?
Yes, I would. So, I love my skin color. Why would I?
Yeah, she's actually brown, right? Morena. Beautiful color. Morena skin. So you would date a black man.
Yes po. It's not about the skin color. It's about the personality po.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. So are you single or are you in a relationship?
I am single po.
How long have you been single, Beth?
Um, I 20 days.
Oh,
20 days.
20 days. Does he know that you're single or he doesn't have girlfriend no more?
She knows what. I always open up with her.
How are you as a girlfriend? What kind of girlfriend are you?
Chill. I'm a chill girlfriend because I always consider the opinion of my partner po.
Are you still studying, Beth?
Yes po.
May we know what's your course?
I'm currently taking Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering.
What's your name again, Beth?
Akisha Gale po.
Keisha. We interviewed her before and I forgot. I don't remember her, but she said, Ate, you interviewed me the last time. But anyway, B, it's nice to see you again. How are you tonight?
Good po. Walang pamas.
Oh, she said, good, no fair, going back home. Do you think Filipinos are racist against people with dark skin? Yes or no?
No. Because, because it's natural to us. Like, it's natural it's natural here in the Philippines because Filipinos have, natural dark skin.
Filipinos are born with darker skin, so it's natural that like we're not racist. Is that what you mean?
Yes, because it's natural to us, unlike the other country.
Almost every store in the Philippines sells skin whitening products. Where do you think this obsession with having lighter skin comes from?
From like the trend, like skincare from trend baga, like TikTok.
From trend, TikTok.
Yes. Yes.
So from social media.
Yes.
What would you like to say to foreigners who think all Filipinos are racist toward people with dark skin?
No, because here in the Philippines, dark skin is natural to us. Yun lang.
So you mean Filipinos are not racist? Not all Filipinos are racist.
Yes.
I'm curious, would you ever date a black Filipino or black foreigners?
Yes.
Are you single or are you in a relationship?
Single po.
How long have you been single?
Almost 1 month po.
Almost
1 month po.
1 month. Oh, she's very proud. She said her ex. Okay, her ex is watching. Oh my, that's. What are your names and ages?
Kenisha po, 22 years old.
I'm Russell, 22 also.
Well, here's the question. Now, do you think Filipinos are racist against people with dark skin?
Yes.
For me, no. It depends. It depends.
Depends. Okay. For you, ma'am, why do you think colorism is still strong in Filipino culture?
Pwede po pa ka?
Yeah. Okay, take your time. How about you, sir? Since you said it depends, so it kind of like yes to right. So why do you think colorism is still strong in Filipino culture?
Because some Filipinos are bully and some are not. So it depends also. Yes.
Okay. How about you, mom? You said yes, like you're confidently, like you said. Why do you think it's strong until now? Like it really matters up to now, you know?
For me po, kasi many people po are judgmental. Yes po.
So that's why. Okay. Now, almost every store in the Philippines sells skin whitening products, right? Where do you think this obsession with having lighter skin comes from?
Insecurities.
I think. Can I say country?
Country. Okay.
It, maybe in the U.S. like that, no? England, foreign people.
So you mean it's like Filipinos are like copying the other countries like the US because they have lighter skin, right?
Yes, because some Filipinos don't accept their own skin color like that.
I'm curious, how about you two? Do you accept your like morena skin?
Yes.
Yes, because for me I like um brown. Yes,
Darker skin.
yes, I like tan like that.
Do you think the preference for white skin is about beauty, status, or colonial mindset?
For me, no. Because other people think you are beautiful, even your morena.
Okay, so it's like beauty, like the beauty. How about you, sir?
No, also because beauty doesn't define through skin color. So
Okay. What would you like to say to foreigners who think all Filipinos are racist toward people with dark skin?
I think I can say to them, not all people are judgmental, and some Filipino are kind also. Yes po.
yes, like that also.
That's it. Do you have something to add about what mom says?
Nothing.
Okay, not all Filipino. You two are couple, right?
Yes po.
How long have you been together? I'm just curious. Like being nosy.
2 years.
Wow, it's quite long already. What's the secret of a long relationship?
More patience.
Patience. How about you, sir?
For me, the most important thing is communication and understanding.
Both are still in college.
Yes.
May we know, ma'am, what's your courses?
BSHM po.
The same.
Team management.
I'm an IT student.
What's your name and age po?
Jimber, 23 years old.
Are Filipinos racist?
Yes, because I think for me, well, based on my opinion, since na same like country, maybe same Filipinos, maybe respect each other. So for me lang yun, for me, is my opinion. So yes, for me.
They're racist. Are you attracted to light-skinned or dark-skinned Filipinas?
I attract is light skin
May we know why? Just curious.
because for me, so I'm pretty like very attractive if like you like the skin for me.
Because she looks what?
Like handsome or pretty like if I see the people like light skin, so for me I think so very for me is yes I attract the skin, light skin.
Okay. Well, thank you so much, sir. We really appreciate your time. Thank you. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflection